The biggest thing that sets Stile apart is flexibility and the ability to edit and manipulate lessons. I think that's like #1 for me. I'm Joseph Centoni, and I teach environmental science. One thing that's really nice about Stile is that students have multiple ways to approach a lesson. So typically, there's videos that are embedded, there's text, there's photos as well. With the videos, students can go back and repeat them and keep playing them over and over if they want to repeat it a second time. I think in general, though, the fact that students are able to see things in a variety of ways and interact in multiple ways is the most helpful feature.
Try to think of a counterexample. So if you could think of a counterexample, that would help you explain what's going on in this situation.
There's great case studies and great examples that are built in. One thing that's really nice, though, is the ability to take that and then maybe add local examples in and customize it. So I think that's really helpful. There's a few things that I really like about Stile. One of them is sort of the interactive features, so I can see students' responses live. The simulations are fun. Students really like interacting with them. It gives them an opportunity to kind of play around with the situation and then figure out patterns, collect data in some cases, and then interpret that, sometimes graphing it, gives them something to have a conversation with other students about. So yeah, I love the simulations. I really can't imagine going back